Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking you around this approved used 2022 model Volkswagen Polo MK6 Facelift that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the modernised Smokey Grey Metallic paintwork. Alongside housing your 1 litre petrol engine and manual transmission, it is the ideal nippy city upgrade for any individual. Packed with plenty of top features including your light and sight pack with your LED daytime running headlights, 15-inch S6 alloys and for added protection, power folding and heated wing mirrors. The boot offers plenty of space for daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with access to your central power outlets. Moving into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience, with access to your central touch display and again the comfort of your full cloth trim. And to seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel, housing your options for your digital cockpit to display vital driving data, various audio and the added bonus of your cruise control and limiter features. Moving across, you do have your app connect with your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and of course a variation of radio stations to keep you well entertained. Of course, you do have your on-screen and vehicle information and status, alongside further assistance with your IQ Drive. This is followed just below by your main climate controls alongside your handy power outlets and of course central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.